Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your HCA Global HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your HCA Global HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in HCA Global HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the login link shown on the page. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your HCA Global HR's account and tap on Login. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your HCA Global HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.